Tayo No feeding.
Political sound off.
Let us put let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God, the Father in heaven, always merciful and giver of life. We humbly ask that you bless each one of us, from the speakers
Sorry ka na.
Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed people can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. A quote from Marguerite Mead. I am your host for today's activity, Gloan Patches from BSED 2F. Good morning, 3S Society members, and also sending our good evenings to US Virgin Islands. Dear member of the 3S Society, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the culminating activity of the Social Studies major. But before we get started, let us all join together for the opening prayer, followed by the singing of the Lupang Hinirang to be played on the record.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God. Father in heaven, always merciful and giver of life, we humbly ask that you bless each one of us, from the speakers, program committees, guests, and participants. Guide us to make better decisions as we incorporate what we will learn throughout this activity. Thank you for the infinite blessings and countless opportunities. Lord, today as we start our activity, may we always be grateful to learn new things. Shed the light of your wisdom and bless each one, especially our speakers, as they will share their knowledge to us. Through your mercy and grace, may peace and utmost understanding shine and dwell unto us. Almighty God, accompany each one and help us concentrate for us to gain more knowledge as we listen attentively. This we ask in your name. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Good morning, everyone. May I see the beautiful faces of the 3F Society members, please? Can I ask everyone to turn on their cameras? Thank you. Is everyone ready? Can someone show me a thumbs up if you're ready? Okay, but before we get started, everyone, we will have house rules in order to ensure that everyone will surely enjoy this experience. Now that we are all ready, let us hear from Mary Zaira Dolorfino of BS Ed 2F Social Studies as she will introduce the guest speaker of the day.
Good morning, everyone. My task today is to introduce to you our guest speaker. As social studies students, we need to be equipped with more sufficient knowledge and broader understanding about the world that we live in. With that, we are privileged to have our guest speaker to share with us her experiences and expertise. She was a graduate of West Visayas State University BS Ed major in Social Studies, batch 2001. A former dance sports partner of Dr. John Erwin Pedroso. She took up MAED Social Studies in the same university, but shifted in Master's in Management, major in Educational Management, currently pursuing her Doctor of Philosophy, major in Educational Leadership. She was a former teacher at ICF Christian School, the Iloilo Integrated School, and Fort San Pedro National High School when she was still in the Philippines. She garnered the award for Most Functional Bulletin Board, Most Interactive Class, and the Division of Iloilo City's Outstanding Teacher in 2008 to 2010. She was also awarded as an outstanding teacher in Doha, Qatar in August 2014, and currently she is the Teacher of the Year, the St. Thomas St. John District of United States Virgin Islands for the school year 2020 to 2021. She now serves as the chairperson of the Social Studies Department of IEKHS, member of the Fourth Centric Curriculum Development Group, member of the Civics Curriculum Development Group, advisor of the IEKHS Student Council, Power Teacher Pro IEKHS Specialist, and Microsoft Teams IEKHS Specialist. Lastly, She is the Vice President for Operations in the United Federations of Phil-Am Educators, U.S. Virgin Islands Chapter. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the pride of social studies, Mom Christina Marie Lopez Senosa.
Thank you for that introduction, a very long introduction. Um, it's kind of, I can't see all of you guys. I want to see your faces though. I can only see some profile pictures in those Google Meet icons in there. Do you have internet issues? Okay. Well, I could see Gloan. Hi, Gloan. And hello, everybody. Good evening here. Good morning there. We have a 12-hour gap. I am amazed by the social studies or the 3S Society because you have been so active, and I would like to congratulate my batchmate. He is the number one academic awardee in our batch, Dr. John Erwin Pedroso. He's a dear friend, partner, and of course, everything about us is actually coming from him. He is a very good mentor. He is also a good influence in my time management when I was in college because he is always the one in charge for everything: folk dance, dance sports, academics, everything, student teaching. So he is the one in charge. Okay. If you have a slides for, if you have some slides in there, you could play. So I could just describe the photos. Anyway, this is not. This is a light conversation, though. This um, is a storytelling about the experience. But to give you a bird's eye view of uh, the Grand Canyon is actually to read the history about Grand Canyon in the History Channel, okay, as described, it's from Arizona, wherein it was formed 5 to 6 million years ago when the Colorado River began to cut a channel through layers of rock. Humans have inhabited the area in and around the canyon since the last ice age. So that is the only paragraph I am going to read because I am going to describe those that are those pictures that are going to be played by one of your colleagues that have taken the pictures. If I could see it though, so I could describe it. All right, as they prepare for it, baby, I'd like to share with you that when we visited the Grand Canyon, we were from Las Vegas. So it was a tour from Las Vegas going to Grand Canyon because it's a landlocked situation. So we just have to drive along Arizona for maybe 3 hours. It depends on what vehicle you're using. From 3 to 4 hours, and then after you have driven from there, because of COVID, it's pandemic, so your temperature will be checked. If you are having 100 degrees and up, then you're going to stay there. You are not allowed to enter the premises. So if you get through the premises, you're going to pay, I think, a $30 ticket. Okay. You will ride a bus. Then after that, maybe like a 5 to 10 minutes ride, you are going to be at the Eagle Point, the first part of the visitation process or the touring site, in which in the Eagle Point, the skywalk is there. It's like a I have a picture submitted, but I don't know if you have there for slides. Could you do me a favor, John? John Paul?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Wait lang, ma'am. I-share lang.
Okay. Salamat. You're all young. I miss being young. Thank you, John Paul. We will wait. But anyway, how are you dealing with the pandemic so far? Come on, go ahead. I don't want this time to be boring. Okay. Um, how are you dealing with your classes? I'm happy that you have Google Meet. Thank you, John Paul. All right. He is now presenting. Google Meet is what I used before when we were not using Microsoft Teams. It was. Oh, we could see our faces now. All right. Thank you. How many of you? 35, 36. Okay. So as John Paul is actually trying to have this technical issues in there, so Dr. Pedroso maybe have a little bit of explanation about the Grand Canyon. Actually, I was surprised that he had a lot of information of the Grand Canyon because that is one of the places actually included in one of the wonders of the world. Okay, so it is very exciting and it is a surreal feeling to be there. Okay, at first I wasn't so excited because when we went there it was too hot, 115 degrees, and when you go there I had sunburn all over the body, all over my body. Thank you. Well, you could just have to slideshow it. I'm sorry about the pictures because when I went to the Grand Canyon, I just wanted to do some TikTok. Okay. But I wasn't sure if I am going to share it with somebody like educators like you. If I have known, I brought my costumes so I could be in there. Okay, so these are the photos I have taken. This is in the Guano Point already. So in that particular area, downside is the Colorado River. Okay, you have to climb on that particular area, right? So that area is a little bit high. Okay, you have to climb up over there. Go ahead, next picture, please. Okay, so pasensya na. This is actually coming from the web browser because I don't have the Skywalk photo with a lot of pictures because we are not allowed to bring our cell phones or your electronic devices are supposed to be put in a particular locker. Even my watch, the Apple Watch, I have to put it in there because they don't want any devices, bags, everything. Or if you have earrings, like a dangling earrings, you have to deposit it because they don't want the glass, to be destroyed because it's a 30 million budget. Could you imagine that? 30 million budget. Okay, go ahead. Next. Okay, so this is going back. This is go back to the picture. Okay, thank you. That picture is actually overlooking the Colorado River. That's a Colorado River in there. Okay, so this is the Guano Point already. So it's amazing because when you go to Guano Point, they also have the lunch area, and it is only exclusive for those who have ticket for Guano Point. Okay, go ahead. O, di ba? Mga pictures. Kaya all right, go ahead. Okay, so this is just for Instagram. Okay, so that's Colorado River. Next picture. Okay, I'm shocked. Go ahead. Okay, now this is what the Native American tribal structures. When you go there upward, because there's a lot of tourists going in and out, so you have to wait for your turn to go to the skywalk. Okay, outside when you are just taking pictures of the Grand Canyon, that's fine. But if you want to experience your skywalk adventure, you have to wait. So beside that, lapad-lapad siya katama, no? there is a Native American tribal structure that depicts all those houses like a village of the Native American Indians before. And those people are actually having a show, okay? Having a show, and they have their costumes too. However, there is no cell phone signal in that Grand Canyon West rim. So that time, limited lang ang pictures and limited lang ang photos nga nakuha naman because it's too hot. It's really, really hot. Sobra kainit. Gamay lang, like maybe 2 minutes ka lang ara sa dalom sang adlaw. You'll be having a very big headache. So, sobra gid siya kainit. No? It's 115 degrees. Sobra. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Right. So I had a chance to stop there for a while to have whenever I go to a certain place, I do the jump shot. Okay, so this is the entrance for Skywalk at Eagle Point, the Grand Canyon West Skywalk. You have to pay $25 for the entrance fee just to get there. And when you get there, there's a security guard that will get all your things. And then you have to change your shoes. Okay, go ahead, John. Okay, some more. Okay, so this is now the Guano Point. Okay, if you could see the difference, the Eagle Point is actually kind of what do you call this one? Rocky, mountainous siya. Hindi naman ang Eagle Point is kind of greeny, reddish rocky. Okay, so amo na siya makita mo dira sa Eagle Point. Rocky ang iyang itsura, pero may green structure pa siya. May mga grasses pa siya nga makita. Okay, go ahead. Okay. All right. Let us go to the skywalk picture. All. All right. Is it the last picture? I think I sent you one with the picture for the skywalk. Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry because if I have known that there will be a speaking engagement like this, I've had some educational videos. I think I also sent some videos to John. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and show them, John, the videos. But just to give you something to know about the skywalk, you cannot enter their premises if you are not going to take off all your shoes and socks. Or, if you are not going to put on the required disposable wrapper for your shoes because they don't want the glass to be scratched. Okay? Right. So as John is actually trying to prepare for some videos, those are short videos only that I have given him. Okay. Is there any question that I could answer so far? Go ahead. Ask a question.
Hello, ma'am. When did you go there, ma'am?
I'm sorry, Giselle, I didn't hear what you have said.
Good morning, ma'am, here from the Philippines. When did you go there, ma'am?
Good morning. I was there July 28th, I think. Okay, that tour actually started July 28 to August 2. I went there for a day. We scheduled our trip supposedly like 2 days. However, because of the pandemic, we were not allowed to stay there for 2 days because they are limiting the people going in and out. So it was too hot. Well, when you go there, Las Vegas is 107 degrees. But because, you know, it's mountainous already, So it's 115 degrees. It was too hot. It's unbearable, I'm telling you. So if you want to visit there mid-November because it's not too cold and it's not snowing. But when you visit there like now, December, I don't know, they're closed, I think, today. All the tours are closed because of the high numbers. You know, you have heard in the US, millions of people are dying because of the COVID-19. Okay? So, tourist industry is actually affected. This has a dismal effect in the side of tourism industry. Okay, for the pandemic side. Yeah. Yes, this is the video I've sent. This is the Eagles Point. Okay? So that's how it looks like. Actually, kung makita mo siya, it's just a normal scenario, or it's just a normal mountain. Pero pag ara ka na dito, when you see those rocks formation, I don't know, but hindi ako gid nag-idol sang Grand Canyon, no? Pero when I was there, it was heavenly. It was a surreal feeling. Hindi mo siya ma-explain kung nga. There is something about that place that's so magical. Well, I don't know why, but it's so captivating. This is the closest view, okay, of the Eagles Point. So you see may mga mask kami. Sa picture lang ako wala mask kay required gid katama. And then there are marshals, guards kay di ba may nahulog na? May damo na napatay. There are people who died because, you know, they are not following instructions. So there are actually marshals na nagagard nga. Beyond that point, hindi ka pwede makakuha sang camera. Ining duwa nga inigin sa Y kay hindi sila dapat, you know, magli-li dito. Pero very nagbalik man sila dayon. Okay? Alright. So this is ito ay nakadina, yung Native American village na ini siya. Kaso lang nautod siguro. Na ining mga huts nga ini, dira na mga amuna mga styles ng houses nila before. Okay, so kaso lang, pagkanto na mo to dalagan, tapos manago naman kami sa may hut, tapos magdalagan siya. Wala mo naman ang mga puti, those people who are actually mga puti sila, wala sila yung nahadlok mag-itom, wala man sila yung nahadlok mabatok. So, for us, syempre Asians, ang sunburn bala, masakit siya sa buya. I don't mind kung tawag do, galing ang sakit sa ulo, hindi ko. Ang sunburn makaya ko. Pero ang sakit sa ulo, hindi ko makaya. Kay pertigid, nosebleed ka na. Okay? So may mga description man. Okay? Kung ina siya dira, no? May ara sila nga place dito nga parang to make tawag dito, daw bridal something nila na house. So amo na ang ilang mga ginapang hatag dito na attraction as tagid sa likod. Then after you visit the place, may ara silang show ang mga Native American Indians. Sad to say, wala gid ako kakuha. This is the bus nga ginsakyan namon. So social distancing gid, there's a limit to certain numbers of kung pila lang pwede makasakay, no? Okay. So these are my comrades nga kadto. You see, tatlo lang kami. Siguro mga polo lang or 12 ang ara sa bus. And then they have to leave. And then makadto naman, pabalik-balik lang. So total cost is $139 for, siguro we started 7 o'clock in the morning from Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. And then after that, nagbalik kami mga 3 o'clock. Na 3 o'clock. Pabalik. Okay. It's worth it to visit the Grand Canyon. Okay, as a social studies teacher, I believe na if we are teaching this particular subject or particular places, just like Dr. Pedroso, he is well traveled in Asia already. Okay? So may mga plans man na siya in the future to go to Europe or maybe America or somewhere around the world. Okay? It's a fulfilling feeling para sa aton nga social studies to go and travel. Kaya sa ara ko sa Philippines actually, I have been traveling in the Philippines. Kaya tigil na tudlo ang Philippine history. I want my students to learn also in a particular way nga first-hand experience ang akon mahatag sa ila. Okay? So, muna. Thank you, John, for helping me in the slideshow. Okay. So, question. So that is my experience in the Grand Canyon. It was actually what I call this a good no not a good experience. It's a magical experience, I could say. Before I don't know about Grand Canyon until Dr. Pedroso asked me because he have seen my picture and I was like, talaga? Very ano siya, very informative gid siya katama sa Grand Canyon. Well, he is, you know, the most intelligent person in our batch. I look up him because he is the number one ginasaya sa amon nga batch. Okay? So happy ako no na I was invited again by the 3S Society to speak. I am always with you yearly. Okay? So subo nga winter, I'll visit Niagara again. Nakakadto na ko to, pero my friends wanted to go there again. But I really wanted to go to Boston lang talaga. Ang history sa Amerika, ginatudlo namon. So, I wanted to see how Boston looks like because, you know, ang ara sa ila history, ang Boston, ang ara sa mga Boston Tea Party nila, mga muna gala. So, when I teach like simple things like this, I could say that, you know, I went to Boston and I have seen these things. So, manami man siya kaya at least it's a first-hand experience. Ay, amo ni siya galing natabo. Okay. Niagara Falls is just a side sweep. Okay. Nga wala brownout sa bilog ng Amerika is because of the Niagara Falls. Okay. So, para na lang din makatabok sa Canada, when I visited there last 2017 yata or 2018, gindasok gid ang kamot ko sa Kudal sang Canada kag sang tawag ni sang Niagara kay I could be in two places at the same time already. I'm in the border. All right. Okay. So, any question? Ano, may mga picture ko. All right.
Thank you, Ma'am Christina. As Ma'am Christina is finished with her stage, we are bound to have an open forum. If you may explore the Google Meet, there is a new feature, raise hand. Please use that feature to be recognized. May I hear some questions, clarifications, or reactions about the talk of our speaker? Volunteer, please.
Question. Even if it's not about Grand Canyon.
Yes.
Okay, I will entertain.
Yes,
Kung ano lang gusto nila ipamangkot, Glo, that's fine with me.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. John Lloyd, please.
Hello, ma'am.
Please turn your audio, please.
Ma'am, I won't read good morning nor good evening. Kaya bala ko may time difference. So, good day lang. Ma'am, ask ko na ma'am, why is it called the Eagles Point View, ma'am?
Actually, ang akon nga ano tawag ni nga nabalaan sa Grand Canyon, nag-tour lang id ako John Lloyd. Actually, naglagaw-lagaw lang kita ako na ato ya. That's why isang in-invite ako ni John Erwin. Ang hambal ko. Ano ba nang mahambal ko sa Grand Canyon? Kaya wala gid ako sa may nabalaan. Wala gid ko nag-research. Kay I just wanted to say something about my experience, no? Sa piyak ba ng Grand Canyon, lain man niya ang ginapakita nila. Okay. Honestly, I don't know the answer. Mas ang nabalaan ko is that sa mapa, ang ara dira is Eagles Point, tapos ma-travel ka na naman by bus, kay mahulat naman sila sa imo by bus, makadto ka na naman sa Guano Point. Amo na nabalaan ko. But I did not really know how is it called Eagle Point, why is it called Eagle Point or Guano Point. Basta amo lang nang ilang ano tawag dito nga description. Ang sa Skywalk is Eagle Point, tapos ang sa Guano Point, amo na to siya ang may Colorado River na likod overlooking. I'm sorry to fail answering your question, John Lloyd. Oh, sorry. Yes, John Lloyd. I thought I was wrong. John Lloyd Cruz.
Anyone? More questions?
Any question?
Can I have a volunteer from the first year?
I think first year. Alin sa first year kag fourth year?
First year and third year, ma'am.
First year and third year.
Yes, ma'am. Oo. First year. Yes, Hilary.
Hello, ma'am. I'm just curious, ma'am, what is your favorite part of the experience traveling to the Grand Canyon?
My favorite experience is actually conquering my acrophobic part or acrophobia. I have a great fear of heights. Maski nagapila ako, pagkakita ko pa lang sa dalo, may mga, ang kulang lang bala tubig, no? Makita mo ang ara sa dalo, nga daw may mga, tawag nito, mga lumot-lumot, no? Kahit di Colorado River siya before no? It was actually the Skywalk adventure. Limited nga lang ang picture taking, pero that 15-minute walk kada sa horse show bend nga gin-provide nila, that's worth $30 million. Do hindi mo na maisip kay hala sige ka na lang ka-posting, no? Sige ka na lang to ka-poise. So that's the favorite part. That's my favorite part. I think that's the Skywalk adventure.
Ma'am, Gracious wanted to ask.
40,000 feet.
Ma'am, good morning. I'm curious
Okay, go ahead.
How much did you spend from going there?
Without the plane ticket, the total tour package is $139. It's free lunch, full inclusion na siya, no? Pila lang kami man? Siguro mga 15 people lang. Okay. It's black minibus. Kasi may social distancing. Pero kay tatlo kami nga friends, so we could sit together. Okay, so included ng imo fare back and forth, ang imo nga lunch, ang imo nga Skywalk ticket which is $25, and then ang show tanan. So $139 siya. To convert, I do not know na kung pila ang conversions ng dollars subong Pero to convert 50 ba? 50 ba ang dollars subong? Or 48. Let's say it's 48.
48.
Times 100. Okay, 39. So that would be 6,672 pesos. Or let's say mga 8 hours siguro. Pero
Guys,
don't convert because that yes, ang conversion balaan kung ari ka na dire daw wala na. Sa inyo siguro medyo dako, pero kung ari ka na dire hindi mo na siya ma-feel kung 100 daw isa gatos mo lang sa aton daw mo na bala. Okay. Next question. I could now answer. I'm sorry. I have to Google. I could not give you without answering John Lloyd. John Lloyd, I have the answer already. Eagle Point is the area of the canyon that is actually known as the battleship before, but later remained by one of the Wallapai people to Eagle Point when she saw the outline of an eagle in the rock formation. That's why it was called Eagle Point. Okay. So, actually, oo nga, may nakita ako galit dito nga damo to eagle. Siguro, base amo na. Okay. Alright. So, ang mga wala pa ay naka-costume na sila. Actually, one of them was actually our guide, no? Tapos naghambal-hambal siya sa Native American language. Siguro it's something like a welcome, like mabuhay sa aton, be in Philippine language muna. So wala kami maintindihan. Kami yung tatlo nagahiri-hiri, kaya hamon niya, syempre, maano lang kami to, ma-share lang. Just to get out of the what they call this one, the whole year teaching from March until July nga kami, work from home. So, anti-stress therapy lang namon ang pagwa. Especially para sa akon nga social studies, yes. Okay, go ahead.
First year, can I hear some questions? Ma'am,
Freshman!
nag-comment
Morning,
si
ma'am.
Bea.
As well. There is some
Good
question
morning,
in the
ma'am.
chat.
Kaya gid man sang sweldo sang teacher ang pag-travel?
If I am going to speak from my experience ang ara ko sa Philippines, yes, if you are single. How much do I make before? It's 9,939 plus akapera nga 2,000. Way back to, yes, I'm too old. Okay, 2004 I was only earning 11,939. When I was in public school, when I was at Fort San Pedro, when I was in private school, it's lower. Okay? But when I was in private school, ang gusto ko lang sa private school dati, kaya ang akon nga boss, who is Dr. Samoro, though every month may field trip kami because he is taking good care of his people. He doesn't want his teachers to leave. So, ga-enjoy, especially mga fresh graduates, kami ga-enjoy kami kay nag-beach kami sa Guimaras, mga muna bala, may makadto kami sa Barotac, may ma-horseback riding kami sa Kundiin. So, libre. When I was at Fort San Pedro National High School, every year may travel man kami. We call that SLAC, School Learning Action Cell. Okay? So, ga-Cebu kami, naga-Baguio ako, kay advisor kami sa student council before. Gakadto kami anywhere, Boracay, halos from time to time. So, vegan, kaya gid. Basta hindi ka lang gid magasto, hindi ka lang gid maluho. I think that's actually a manner or how you spend your money. Spend it wisely. Example, if you have 11,939, kaso lang hindi gid ako happy breadwinner. Siguro kung may mga manghod ako, I was the youngest in the family. I'm the youngest in the family. So, siguro kung may manghod ako, it's different. No? Pero, sa mga upod ko nga mga breadwinner, nagalagaw-lagaw man sila. Okay? They can actually. So, ang sweldo sa buong teachers, I do not know how much, 22,000, 26? I think, 26,000. When I left, I was teacher 3. Ang sweldo ko is do mga 20 plus naman. Pero ang starting sa buong teachers sa Philippines, do 24 yata, 22. So you could, kung bago ka lang nagsulod, for sure, you save at least 30% of it, maski magagahatag ka pa sa family mo. So makakaya gid, pero galing hindi gid siya siguro ano tawag ni, hindi gid siya permi, no? Ambot kung makaya yearly kung if you finance yourself also for your masters. Kaya Philippines pwede gid. Okay. Carry lang Pero you must know tawag ni, social studies, 3S. Can you hear me? I think there's a system glitch. Can you hear me? Can you unmute your microphone and say if you hear me well?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, just a piece of information. Being a teacher is not actually a lucrative profession. Okay? So, when you began to think or you began to say that I want to become a teacher, hindi gidya pwede nga mamanggaranon ka o mamilyonarya ka sa teacher, sa teaching profession. So, ang ara lang gidya sa aton, public service and the love of learning. Okay? I didn't really actually know nga makadto ko di sa US. Okay? It was a calling. Okay? Hindi mo gid na ma-predict ang future mo kung paano ka maging teacher kasi I thought all the while sang nag-public school ako, I have the security of tenure already, nga dira na ako ma-retire kay I was actually planning to I passed the master teacher's qualification already. Pero tingnan mo, nag-Qatar pa ako, after nag-Qatar, nag-US ako. So after diri, base di naman ako puluton. 'Di ba? Exciting. Okay? So, let God be the anchor of your life. Muna lang gid na siguro. And don't feel envious to the success of others. Be contented of what you have. Doon mo lang gid na. Kaysa akon, example, may mga ara, labi nga, siyempre, nag-graduate na sila doctoral or whatever. Wala gid ko na kay everybody has their own timing. Kung may timing, gid kita sa aton nga self. Okay, sa aton nga life. So, enjoy life and do the best in everything that you do. Okay? Hello, ma'am. Good day. Sorry. Good morning, ma'am. Tapos na. Okay. Gracious Villaflor. Let me go ahead and answer this one. Okay? Hello, ma'am. Are there any ethnic groups living there? Taga-Star? No. Pero mga ethnic groups nga, dito nga nag-perform, yes. Okay. Sila ang mga Native American Indians nga naga-costume gidya. Kanami tani kung ano tawag ni, kung na-picture out ko lang that I will be invited. Kaya nga akong pagkanto, it's like getting out of the island. Kaya ari ko sa US Virgin Islands. So getting out of the island and try to explore the place lang gid. Wala gid ko nag-isip nga I will be invited for a talk like this. Kanami talino kung video. Kaya wala ako nag-interest makuha sa video. Kaya feeling ko, though hindi ko siya though hindi ko siya ma-elaborate sa klase, pag wala siya wala, in the first place, dying ng battery ko kung maggamit pa ako sa video, so hindi na siya, ambot na nga ang nag-drain dito nga akong video, siguro sa kadamo sa pictures to sa skywalk. Tapos, ang isa pa gid na nagka-problema, ay wala dito sang signal, hindi man ako ka-live Facebook video. Okay, so wala ako gid ma-videohan ang ethnic tribe dito. Okay, and how about the races? What races of people usually visits there? Sari-sari, samo-samo, I don't want to call black, colored people. Actually, mostly Chinese ang nakita ako, may mga Vietnamese man. So, kami to mga Asian, do kami gito yung pinakasikat that time. Pero, pandemic pa to that time. So, siguro, tawag ni, kung hindi siguro pandemic, basi mas damo pagid ang ang tourist. Kaya usually mga 2.5 tourists daw ang nagakadto dito 2.5 million. Okay, and hello ma'am, good day. How would you differentiate teaching environment here in the Philippines and your current teaching environment? A lot of differences actually. But there is no place like home. There is no, I'm sorry, but I'm not speaking because I wanted to lift you up. But there's a big difference to the caliber of students in the Philippines than in the US. The difference is that education in the Philippines, education in America is practiced as a privilege already. To what I see that as a teacher. It's not even a right anymore. Kaya kung right lang na pariyo sa inyo, tama-tama, agad ka progresibo ang educational system naton. They are given these privileges sa klase, may whiteboard, may laptop sila, may ara sila nga computer. They are provided by everything. Okay? And yet, ang love of teaching, ang love of teaching ara, ang love of learning, the caliber of the students are different. So lain gid ya ang drive ninyo. Siguro kayo were not provided for everything that's in here. Okay? Lain balaan, sa ila balang provided. Even their lunch are provided, pero wala sila nagakaon. So kung ako gani maghambal sa ila na, why are you not eating your lunch? Kaya hindi sila gusto, kay syempre, pero mga Pinoy namon ng estudyante, lagi na nagapila. Nagapila, kay syempre provided ang lunch, mabalon ka pa, di ba? So ang lunch nila provided, ang bus nila provided, tanan libre, makadto na lang gid sila sa eskwelahan. Okay? When it comes to college, it's different naman. That's why it's a big part sa ila, maka-high school diploma sila. No? If you have gotten your high school diploma, dako gid nga privilege kay ma-promote ka as manager and everything. Kung mag-college ka dire, it's a prerogative of your parents to let you and send you to go to college. Okay? Tapos may mga scholarship kada nga makuha. Pero kung hindi ka pagpa-eskwelahon, isang parents mo, wala ka may mahimo. You apply for loan. Ang tuition diri every year, you ask me kung pila. $50,000 per year. Yes. That's $25,000 per semester. Wala pa ang dorm, wala pa ang kung ano-ano. So, education in the Philippines is way cheaper. That's why ang mga estudyante, ang mga Filipinos, nagapuli sa Philippines to finish their college and then go back to America. Kaya kamahal gid diri. It's too expensive. Pero diri sa ila, wala lang na iya ang mga $50,000. It's normal nga mo gid na iya ang gina-spend. So ang ending sina, I have lots of friends nga ari diri nga when they graduated, fresh graduate tapos nagatudlo as teachers, they have loans. Kaya nga from the start of their college career or their college level, may loans na sila. Gets nyo? So habang tawag ni, di na bayad-bayaran na nila because they could work. 16 years old, you could work after school hours. Mo na nagakatabo. So, amo na siya ang big gid nga difference. Kung sa teaching, medyo tawag ni? Siguro, computer-aided instruction is way easier dire magtudlo because of the internet services that are provided. Okay? Americans would freak out kung wala sang internet kay all conversations. Wala kami diyan nag-print sinang mga mga quizzes namon sa inyo. Wala na. Ang mga records namon are all electronics, emails, everything. Pati pag pirma sang payroll, email. So, amo lang gid ang change, way of advancement of technology. Dako man diri balaan K-12 education American-based. When I was in Doha, lain naman to ya kay European-based, British, ang Montessori type. Ang pagtudlo dito. So lain man. Is there anything that you'd like?
Guys, can
So,
we have more questions before we end our open forum? Guys, 3 questions na lang if you want. Can I have from someone from the 3rd year? Guys, please turn on your cameras.
These people are from Iloilo, gid, or from provinces man.
Thank you. Can I have someone from my classmate, 2nd year?
I thought it's only first year.
Wala.
First year and 3rd year? First year, 2nd year, 3rd
First
year.
year,
So,
2nd year, and 3rd year.
interesting.
First,
this is
pa lang naman yung first meeting with everyone.
I think Hillary is raising her hand. Hillary, how do you pronounce your second name? Ogie?
I'm finished na, ma'am.
Okay.
I
You
already
forgot to
asked
raise
kanina.
your hand. Okay.
Ah,
Hillary, I'm just curious. How do you pronounce your second name?
it's Oji, ma'am.
Ogie. Okay.
Yes,
Creative,
ma'am.
huh? Okay.
Guys, any more question? We'll proceed.
Counting 1, counting 2, counting 3. No question anymore? Rosie, do
Okay,
you have
as
any
everyone is
question?
now cleared.
Si Rosie.
Nang Rose, may question ka na.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Rosie. No, I just
Okay.
mentioned
So,
your name kung may question ka or
I
wala.
think, ma'am, okay, ang question ko siguro, ma'am, paano guro ma'am gin-shape kang paano gin-shape kang Grand Canyon ang lives kang people tuya, like for example ang mga livelihood nga person tuya sa mga natives nga or ang mga tao nga rapit naga-start didto bala.
Actually, wala man sa may naga-star dito nga ano tawag ni nga naga-star dito nga Native American Indians. They go there for performing sa tourists. Wala sang mga ano dawag diri. Ang ginbutang nila to nga village is to depict sang ila nga history sa Amerika nga oy emo ning gakatabo sa mga Native American Indians nga mo ni wala gid sa ila nga gin-explain sa amon. Wala to sang may naga-star kay may question nga kung naga-star kung may naga-star dito wala. Kay tama ka extreme ang temperature dito. Very hot kung summer, very cold kung tawag ni kung winter. So, if ever may chance ka mo magkadto, ang akong gina-advise magkadto ka mo between October to November or November to December. Kaya mo na nga time nami ang weather, medyo malamig-lamig. Kag wala naga-snow. Ako I am not really a fan of snow. It's a childhood dream lang siguro nga makakita kakag ma-experience mo ang snow. I have been experiencing that a lot of times. Kag ang last nga experience ko was actually sobra-sobra. Nabuka ang akon nga phone because hindi ko makuro ang akon nga nakamot sa tugnaw. No? So, medyo mabudlay siya kung snowy ang area. Tapos stressful pati mga alaga nga animal stressful. Go ahead, Loan. Are we done?
Okay, ma'am, as we are all done, thank you for the wonderful insights about Grand Canyon and your teaching experience. Ma'am, sorry ma'am, if wala may makapresent ma'am subong sang certificate ma'am kay ang amon upod ma'am nga si Brian nag-run out sa ila ma'am. So, isend lang naman ma'am ang certificate ma'am. We would like to present this certificate of recognition. This certificate is given to Christina Marie Lopez Sinosa for sharing her experiences as a speaker to the culminating activity of Social Studies major on December 11, 2020 via Google Meet. Given this 11th day of December 2020, signed by John Paul Supapo, Event Chairperson, Emmanuel Malicosio, 3S Society Chairperson, and John Erwin Pedroso, 3S Society Advisor. We owe you a big thank you, Ma'am Christina.
Thank you also, students. It's nice to speak with West Visayas State University students. Sa tod lang, I really miss my school. John Erwin, July. I'll get makapuli na ako siguro sa July. No? Base hindi na close ang border namon. Hi, John! Thank you so much for inviting me. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Before we end this program, I would like to request Dr. John Erwin Pedroso for his closing remarks. Sir?
Ara siya daw nakita ko siya kagina.
Ekis. Ekis na si sir.
Yes,
Sige,
done a
sir.
lot. I'm really tired. Okay. So, babae na lang. Wala na formal. Sa amon, bala na ya. Wala na ni formality. Ah. Sige lang, kinanain. Nagi na lang niya amon.
Sige, ma'am, thank you. Thank you very much. So before we end, please do not forget to answer the attendance sheet and evaluation form students provided in the chat box. Miss Karina Hainos will send the link, and the link will be open until 10:15 in the morning. After submitting the form, you will receive your e-certificate after 3 to 5 minutes. Once again, thank you everyone. I am your MC, Glaan Patches. Join together with the team who helped made this webinar possible, John Paul Supapo, Mary Zara Dolorfino, Brian Marlon Medes, and Karina May Hainos. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
God bless you all and study hard. Okay?
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
Thank
Study
you,
hard.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone.
Thank you,
Bless you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
I'll see you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello? Nicole? Nicole, you.
Rosie, wala pa ka na sasalin.
Nagbalik ko. Nagbalik ko. Si John Paul, the end. John Paul. Matibay ko no. Hello. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Ay, nako.
Angela.
Nagka-problema lang sa text.
Kapag ano?
Open ka, model.
Karon lang. Yan, sir. Ko evaluation.
Ay, ka man, sir. Makuanay. Mabalik lang ko.
Hindi lang
Dali naman, sir. Kuanay.
Answer lang.
Ha?
Alin ka mo dyan? Alin ka mo dyan? Kasi may token ka siya. Alin ka mo dyan?
Alala, dali. Dali. Wala kang mic.
Congratulations.